beaches. And you can see there that we have done quite a large number of projects in the region as well. So Northern Beaches does have its own unique characteristics. A lot of blocks are affected by sand, rock, bushfire, flooding, lots of conservation, trees, and so many other issues. But we do have the knowledge, the experience to be able to deal with those types of projects when we come across them. I'll give you a few little quick examples here. This one is actually just a granny flat. I shouldn't say just a granny flat, it's a granny flat, but the site itself, probably hard to tell just from this image, but from the back to the front, there was close to almost 6 meters of fall, which we had to dig into to create 2 tiers, and then build like a 2-story type building on there. Now, often people would say, oh, it's a granny flat, it's going to be easy. I've got an engineer here we work with, and he'll tell you there's no difference whether you're building a granny flat or a house or a duplex. If you've got a rocky site or a sandy site, you're going to have the exact same issues. In fact, I'd go a step further and say sometimes granny flats could actually be a little bit more complicated than building on a vacant block of land, because imagine trying to cut this out if you had to get access via 1 meter on the side of a house. You'd be using a small machine which will take weeks to dig through that rock. So these are types of complex sites that we work with. A lot of builders don't like them because they're complicated. We love them because we love a challenge. This one was in Cromer. This was an MBA award winner several years ago. Similarly, again, the site doesn't show up. This had quite a significant amount of fall from the back to the front. And again, this building was actually staggered just to follow the slope of the land, and lots of retaining walls built just to stabilise the property as well. This is a project in construction at the moment in Mona Vale. Now, again, this photo will do it absolutely no justice, but let me explain to you that from the top corner here to probably the bottom corner of the granny flat there's well over 8 meters of fall, and you can see there's 2 big retaining walls at the back, and then we've had to build retaining walls at the front and level it. To the left there's about 40 to 50 meters of a drop down to the ocean. To add to all that, to get access to this portion of the land, we had to use cranes to bring in small bobcats and machines over the front house, so that the actual main house is up there. We had to crane them in to bring them in to do the excavation, and likewise to take the soil out of the site as well. So again, we love a challenge. We've got the experience to do these types of projects. This is just a short video just showing like the sweeping views of this building here. And you can sort of see that big drop down there. And so yeah, we've got to obviously have to contain the site, make sure it's safe, and so on. This is something I'm quite passionate about. It'll change up a little bit what we've been talking up until now, but join